Good morning po. This is Engineer Alicia, ang inyong inhinyerang lakotsera. Nandito kami ngayon.
Which Architectonics.
Dito kami ngayon sa aming isang project dito sa Kupang Antipolo. So, as of today, meron tayong ilang dates na.
On 17th day, since nag-start tayo last week.
So, yung 2 weeks po na achievement natin dito is almost completion na po ng ating substructure.
Yes!
So, it's a good sign na having 10 staff or workers, na-complete na natin yung substructure.
At hindi lang po basta simple yung lugar natin dahil mahirap po ang access at hauling.
Opo.
Partida ka po yan.
Opo. However, ngayon po, dumating na yung ating decking and darating din yung ating I-beam para sa columns and beams natin.
When we say change the design, hindi po ito yung architectural design na binago natin. Ito po yung design according to actual site condition. Meron po kasing level ng floor na nakalutang dahil sa pagbaba ng terrain.
However, may challenge lang po talaga dito. Kung makikita niyo po sa likod ni architect, ito nakahang po na yan po yung biga na nakahang. Yung slab on grade supposedly as per plan ay nagkaroon po ng challenge sa site.
So we've treated that, we've added some additional reinforcement, and we've proposed to the client that we will strengthen the structure para hindi lang pumabago yung layout. But still, we are prepared for the future movement ng lupa para mas matibay po ang bahay.
And on speaking of that, yung tinatawag natin na supposedly foundation, neck of column, together with the tie beam, nangyari, nadoble natin yung nadoble natin yung tinatawag na height ng column, nagkaroon tayo ng another sets of tie beam para to make sure na talagang magkakaroon tayo ng strengthened structure.
Well, this is something na tinatawag natin na change order or deviation from the contract. Kasi po yung mga bagay na ganito na hindi mo naman na-foresee dun sa rough estimate during preliminary stage. These are something that we discover or something that we encountered straight from the site lang.
Oo. Kasi ang nangyari, hindi tayo pwedeng sumagad sa likod, gawa ng we need to keep the setback dahil yung pader o neighboring plot sa likod, nagkaroon siya ng movement. So we have to secure the new structure by not keeping it within that and firewall.
So
Kaya, nilayo natin to make sure na everything will be okay kahit pa lumipas pa ng maraming taon.
Expected na po natin nagagalaw po yan. Kaya po nagalaw tayo ng more than 1.5 meters from the property line.
Na setback.
Well, this setback supposedly is wala dapat pitch nila yan. Pero minove po natin forward. Just to give us enough room for the activity na gagawin natin later on, like fencing, retaining wall, and whatever is strengthening methodology.
Structures, yeah.
So kanina tinatanong ni engineer kung kano daw po talaga dapat padalas kaming nasa site. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, last 2 days ago lang nandito kami. So almost in a week nandito kami 3 times to iniikutan po kasi namin talaga to make sure that everything that they need on the site is provided.
And also, it will add on the boosting morale of your team. Na kapag nakikita nila how open you are in the site, nagkakaroon ng mas magandang closeness, mas yung trust ba nandun sa isa't isa, and yung care na nakikita nila na we're not just visiting the site once in a while, but something like anytime that they need us, we can be a call away only.
Kasi hindi naman natin maiiwasan na mayroon talagang tanong related sa design,
Sa methodology, and something like sometimes sa logistics. So, we at Lay Design Studios and Alito Builders are working hand in hand together na ma-address lahat yung mga gaps na gano'n. So, you could see us now na this is a Crestview, then later after some time in the other project. Ganun po ang Lay Design Studios. Talagang we nag-roving kami with all the projects.
So, and sa side po ng client, mas nararamdaman po nila na involved tayo talaga at hindi lang tayo pupunta. Siyempre, during billing period lang. May mga ganun po kasi talaga na nakikita lang daw po nila, manilingil na, during design lang, and then during the construction, totally wala na po nagpakita. kung may napapansin po tayo na something irregular or discrepancy or something na hindi nag-work, sinusolusyonan po natin kagad.
Our strategy of having a project coordinator, aside from our project engineer, a project manager, which is Engineer Nick, sila yung mag-close ng gaps between what is needed right now, what needs to be decided on, and what would be the possible problem in the next stage of the work. So, covered po namin lahat yun dito sa Lay Design and Aleto Builders.
So, ayan po, sis, narinig niyo po kung gaano kami ka-involved o katutok sa project. Sa mga client po na nagbabalak magpagawa dyan, ganito po dapat ang qualities or characteristic ng builder na kukunin ninyo.
So, hands-on from the design until the construction, until sa mga any other things like logistics and siguro pati yung completion, finishes, naka-hands-on si builders and sa designer. Kasi that would make the satisfactions of the client higher, and yun nga, what they deserve to have, nare-receive nila.
Tsaka po, ang kagandahan po dyan, kami po, kilalang kilala ni na client kapag kami pupunta. So, we've known them from the very start, even the family members na involved, hinihingan po namin ng mga opinion. So, they cannot see na yung ginagawang bahay hindi nila magugustuhan kapag natapos. Dahil ang involvement po talaga nila 100%. Hands-on po silang lahat at na-incorporate po nila yung mga requirement nila. Like for example, yung si wife, hindi na naman si sir ang involved dito, pati si wife, yung requirement niya, yung office niya, yung space niya, dapat ma-define natin properly.
So far, yun lang po muna ang aming share for this current project, and hoping na next time naman, another lessons to be shared with you, para pag nagpatayo po kayo, just patayo ka ng bahay or renovation, please call us, Lay Design Studios at 0997 8831-896.
And you can also visit us in our website, laydesignstudios.online, or you can email us at laydesignstudios@gmail.com.
And also, available kami sa Facebook. We have our Lay Design Studios Facebook and Aleto Builders Facebook.
TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, and everywhere you will find there.
So we are present in all platforms of social media. So we're very easy to contact too. So as for now, yun lang po muna. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope we could help
Always
you.
get a professional.